Okay, so good day everyone. Our lesson today is about the t-distribution. Okay, the t-distribution is a probability distribution that arises when estimating the mean of a normally distributed population in situations where the sample size is small and population standard deviation is unknown. Ibig sabihin, gamit lang tayo nito kapag yung standard deviation is unknown. So, hindi given yung standard deviation. Tapos, yung sample size is small. Okay? So, yun yung mga qualifications niya para magamit natin si t-distribution. The t-distribution is similar to z-distribution. No? Kung titingnan natin yung properties niya, okay? So, unang property is that the t-distribution is bell-shaped and symmetric about the mean. So, yun yung unang property. Then, the mean, median, and mode are equal to 0. Okay? So, yun. Okay. Also, no, the t-distribution is determined by a parameter called the degrees of freedom. So, these are related to sample size. No? Then, the total area is equal to 1 or 100% in percent. Then, as sample increases, the t-distribution becomes similar to normal distribution. Okay. So, kung i-guhit natin, no? So, ganito yung itsura niya. Kung ito, yung normal curve natin, yung t-distribution natin naman is ganito. No? Yan. No? So, medyo lower yung sa kanya. No? At the same time, yung mga tails niya is medyo malaki yung area compared dito sa normal curve. No? As sample size increases, the t-distribution becomes similar to normal distribution. No? So, kapag lumalaki na yung sample natin, magiging kapareho na siya ng normal distribution. Okay, so the t-distribution was formulated by an Irish, ang pangalan niya ay si William Sealy Gosset. So, yung pseudonym niya is student. Okay, kaya minsan yung t-distribution is also known as student's t-distribution. Okay. So, yun yung history niya, no? So, sabi natin sa property number 3, it is the t-distribution is determined by a parameter called the degrees of freedom. So, according to definition, the degrees of freedom, based on the definition, the degrees of freedom occurs for every data value which is allowed to vary once a statistic has been fixed. For a single mean, there are n-1 degrees of freedom. Okay, so I will teach you how to find the values, how to use the table of a t-distribution. Okay, for example, we will find the missing value. Example number 1, no? Given 19th percentile, the sample size is n equals 10. So we are going to find the alpha, the degrees of freedom, and the t value. Okay, first, the 90th percentile and the sample size 10. So because our sample size is 10, so the formula is n-1, no? So n-1, meaning to say 10-1, therefore we have 9 degrees of freedom. Okay? Then 90th percentile. So our confidence level is 19th percentile. So if we're going to convert it into decimal, so 0.09, no? And 0.9 we subtract it to 1, so the result is 0.1. Okay, so therefore our alpha is 0.1 or 0.10. Then the t value. So using the table, okay, so this is one tail, no, because we're talking about percentile. So using the table, our degrees of freedom is 9. So let's look here. So here's the 9, no? So eto yung 9. Tapos one tail siya. So dito tayo tatingin. So 0.10. Okay, so yung intersection nila, katulad din sa table, yung intersection nila is 1383. So therefore the t value is 1383. 1.383. Okay, so ganun natin gagamitin yung table. Madali lang. Same lang siya sa Z table. No? Example number 2. Okay. So, example number 2. Given 99th percentile and our sample size is equal to 8. Find alpha, degrees of freedom, and t-value. Again, so ang una nating mahanap is yung degrees of freedom kasi meron tayong given na sample size. Yung size natin is 8, so yung formula ng degrees of freedom is n minus 1. So, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Then next, mahanap natin yung alpha. So, 99th percentile, convert that into decimal, we have 0.99, no? We subtract it to 1. So 1 minus 0.99 is 0.01. Okay. So our alpha is 0.01. The t-value, using our t table, so we have degrees of freedom as 7, no? And our t-value is 0.01 under 1 tail kasi percentile. So eto. So, yung yung sagot natin is 2 point, yung sagot natin is 2.998, no? Okay. So, we have 2.998. Okay, madali lang, no? So, how about kung baliktad naman, like, ang hahanapin natin, yung given is t-value, to sa hanapin natin yung mga given. Okay, so let's try this, example number 3. Okay, so given the t-value, 2.492, find the degrees of freedom, sample size, alpha, and the percentile. Okay, madali lang to. You just need to look in the table. So, hanapin natin yung 2.492, no? So, 2.492, asa na siya? 2.492, 1, 200, 2222, andito mga 2. Okay, so nandito yung 2.492. Okay, nandito siya, no? So, titingnan natin sa gilid niya, andito sa left side, yung corresponding na degrees of freedom niya is 24. Okay, so therefore, yung degrees of freedom natin is 24. At dahil degrees of freedom natin ay 24, ibig sabihin yung sample size natin is 24 plus 1 is 25. So, yun yung sample size natin. How about the alpha? Okay, tingin ulit tayo sa table, no? 24, eto siya, no? Looking at above that column, so yung matatagpuan natin sa one tail is 0.01. Okay, so yung alpha natin is 0.01. At dahil yung alpha natin is 0.01, so area minus 0.01 is equals to 0.99. So therefore, it is 99th percentile. Okay, so that's it. If you have queries, just ask, and thank you for watching.